This is the Insta360 app version 1, and this is the Insta360 app version 2. So let's take a look at what's changed in editing. In version 1, you can start editing your 360 video straight away with the Keyframe editor. So in this example, I will start by looking at myself and I will pinch my fingers inwards to zoom out. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the video. Then I will keep this view for the next 3 seconds and add a keyframe here. Then over the next second, I want to look in the opposite direction and I'm going to pinch my fingers outwards to zoom in. Add a keyframe here. And when I play this back, I have a shot looking at myself and then looking at the forward view. Now, if I want to do this in version 2, there is no keyframe editor here. It's now a new button. So a keyframe in version 2 is a diamond with a plus and not the yellow plus button anymore. And here, I can look back at myself, pinch my fingers inwards to zoom out, add a keyframe. I'll move forward 3 seconds in the timeline, make sure I'm in the middle, add a keyframe, move forward 1 second in the timeline, spin in the opposite direction, pinch my fingers outwards to zoom in, and add a keyframe here. And now I have a shot looking at myself and then looking at the forward view. And when I go back, this will save the shot into the drafts. And to save the shot in V1, I will tap the back button. And when I open the shot again, the edits are still there. In version 1, this edit is not being saved to the drafts. And in version 2, the edit is being saved to the drafts. So this is where you can access the edit you made in the album. Or if you want to access that edit in the draft, you can tap the keyframe button and tap continue editing, or you can create another version of this edit without any keyframes. So if I tap continue editing, we go back to the previous edit. And if I go for the new draft, then this will give me a blank canvas to do another reframe. So if I have 2 edits of the same shot, then let's say I'm just going to add a keyframe here to look forward, then go back. So this will save as a second shot. And in the drafts, there will be 1 edit, which was looking at me, then looking forward. And then the second version, which is just looking forward. If you have amazing Insta360 footage, but you're struggling to turn it into something shareable for social media, then you need to check out my Insta360 course. In this course, I have a variety of Insta360 practice footage which you can download and recreate the edit yourself by following my video lessons that are nowhere to be seen on YouTube. And I will also show you how to add text, graphics, captions, and commercial music legally so you can upload your videos with commercial music to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts without getting a copyright strike. And if you have any burning questions, you can ask me in the Best 360 VIP Facebook group, so you can create Insta360 videos that you are truly proud to post on social media. So check out the link in the video description. To reset a edit in version 1, go to Edit and tap Reset Edits, and this will reset all the editing. And in version 2, it's currently not possible to reset an edit. There is no option here to do a reset. What you have to do, go back, go to edit, drafts, and then here I can manage all the different versions of my videos. And if I want to get rid of one version, I need to tap the three dots and then delete. Now let's say I want to create just a selfie video, just looking at myself at all times. So in version 1, I'll go to the beginning of the video, look at myself, and a green tracking icon will pop up when it can notice things that can be tracked. So this looks like it's going to be tracking myself. So I will tap the tracking icon, and now it's going to track myself throughout the entire shot. And when it's complete, I can choose how much to zoom in or out. So I can choose D-warp or linear to zoom in more, or choose mega view to zoom out. To do this in version 2, I'm going to look at myself. There are no tracking icons. I need to go to the drop down here, tap selfie, and I can position myself where I want. And when I play this back, it's now going to look at me automatically. In version 1, if you want access to direction lock, then you can go to settings, and over here you can turn on direction lock. In version 2, you can go to settings, scroll down, and here you can turn on direction lock. But just know that if you go into the keyframe editor and then go to settings, there is no direction lock here. So if you start editing with keyframes and then you decide I need to turn on direction lock, you will have to go back, go to the settings here, and then scroll down, turn on direction lock, confirm, and then go into the keyframe editor to start editing. If you want to cut a middle section out of a video clip, in version 1, this cannot be done in the album editor. You will need to go to edit, create a video, select the video to edit, and here I can use split to cut the video in the middle. Then I can select the middle part and delete it. In version 2, I can go to the keyframe editor, create a new draft, and then I'll go to the point I want to cut, go to edit, tap the split icon, and then choose the middle part to cut out, and delete this part. Now the middle part has been deleted. In version 1, there was a really cool mode called Viewfinder, and this will allow you with one finger on the record button to zoom in and out the video, look around the 360 video, and also add rotation. But now in version 2, this is called record, and it's no longer using your finger to control the zoom, looking around, and the rotation at the same time. Now you have to tap start recording and then use the slider here to zoom in and out whilst holding your phone to look around. And there's now a horizon lock, so you cannot add rotation anymore. If you want to create a multi-clip edit in version 1, then you cannot use the album editor. You must go to edit, create a video, select your video, tap next, and here I'm going to split the video into 3 parts. And for the first shot, I will reframe it using keyframes. And first I'm going to start by looking at myself and add a keyframe here. Then I'll go to the second shot and I'm going to look in the opposite direction, the direction I'm walking in, and add a keyframe here. And then I'll go to the third shot, and this time I want to look at the roof, at the chimes, and add a keyframe here. So now when I play this back, I have a multi-clip shot. To do this in version 2, go to the editor, create a new draft, and here I will do a frame cut to split this video clip into 3 clips. So I will start a frame cut here and make it 3 seconds long, and then I will make a new cut 3 seconds long, and one more cut. And I'm going to go to the first cut, and I want to start by looking at myself. So I'll just pinch my fingers outwards to zoom in, looking at myself, and in the custom reframe, wherever I point the video, that will be the reframe. So I will update the view here, and you can see it's been changed. Then I'll go to the second cut, look in the opposite direction, pinch my fingers outwards to zoom in, update the view, and it's been updated. Then I'll go to the third cut, look up at the roof, pinch my fingers outwards to zoom in, update the view, then go to edit and export. Here I have the 3 cutout shots, and when I play it back, I have a multi-clip edit. To export the video in version 1, just tap Export in the top right hand corner. I will tap the custom settings, choose the highest resolution, the highest bitrate, and export to phone. In version 2, tap Export. Going to export a standard video, not a 360 video for the headsets. Go to custom settings. I will choose the highest resolution, the highest bitrate, and export to the phone. If you want to change between the Insta360 app version 1 and 2 and vice versa, then go to Me, go to the bottom, About Insta360, switch to the old or new version, wait for the button to appear, and here you can tap Confirm Switch to old version, open the app again, and now it will be the old version. And likewise, you can go back to Me, About, switch to the new version, wait a couple of seconds, and then switch it back to the new version. To never record blurry or noisy 360 video ever again, then you need to check out my 360 camera cheat sheets. This is going to show you a list of situations that you might go through during the day, from day to night, and show you the best camera settings to use. It's free to download, so check out the link in the video description.